Hello friends, I am back. Class 5, subject TVS, chapter number 15. Chapter name Fuel for Travel. Topic Oil. Oil is formed by the decomposition of marine animals and plants. In last class we talked about the natural resources and then that we talk about the fuels, and we get know that these fuels are made by the living things decaying parts, body parts that get died, then decayed and mixed in the soil, got buried under earth, then it converts into the fuel. So here the oil is formed by the decomposition of marine animals and plants. Means those animals and plants are living in the seas and oceans. By the decaying of that animals, the oil is formed. In its crude form, oil is a thick, black and sticky liquid. When it is found from the digging of the earth, it is in the form of thick, black and sticky liquid. Its color is black, it is thick and very sticky liquid. It is found deep down in the earth and under the sea, trapped in between layers of rocks. It is found under the earth and also under the sea, where it is between the layers of rock. A deep well known as oil well is dug and big pumps are used to get oil out of the ground. Underground earth where this oil is found, that is known as oil well. Where we get the oil, that is the oil well. It is inside the earth or inside the sea. From where we get it with the help of big pumps. With the help of these big pumps, we take this oil outside of the ground. It is carried in tankers or through pipelines to the refinery. Since it is in its crude form, thick, black and sticky liquid, so it has to make refined before using. So it is carried in tankers or through the pipelines to the refinery. Refineries are the buildings or the factories are the place where these crude oils converts into the useful oils. In refinery, this crude oil is processed and purified. In the refinery, this crude oil is processed, we make it clean and make it purified. As a result of the refining process, we get a number of different oil-based products. When we refine it, we get different type of oils for our use. You know that in our life we are using a different type of oils as a fuel. So definitely we are getting it from the after the refining of the oil. We get cooking gas, petroleum, kerosene, diesel and tar or asphalt, which is used to make roads. These are the products we get after the refining of the oil. We get cooking gas, petroleum, kerosene, diesel. These are the oils and also the tar and asphalt. Tar or asphalt is used to make the roads. We also get jet fuel for airplanes and chemicals to make products like plastic. We also get the fuel that is used in the aeroplanes, and also we get the chemicals that is used to make the plastic like products. Natural gas. Natural gas is found wherever there is oil, but it can also be found on its own too. Normally the natural gas is found where there is oil well, but it can also be found freely. It is a very popular source of energy and create less pollution compared to wood and coal. At present time it is a very popular. We are using it too much. The reason is behind it, it creates less pollution. It creates less pollution than to the wood or coal. If we are using the coal or wood, it is doing the more pollution. But the natural gas is doing the less pollution. It is used as a fuel for vehicles in the form of compressed natural gas (CNG) or liquefied petroleum gas (LPG). In the vehicles, it is being used as a fuel where it is used as CNG and LPG. In the both form, it can be used as a fuel in the vehicles. So these were the points which we talked today. I will meet you in the next class with the next topic. Thank you.